Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to Fact AI. Today, I'm breaking down one of those things every driver should know: car gears. Whether you're dreaming about your first ride or just want to sound smart, here's the real deal. Alright, gears are like the secret translators between your engine and your wheels. When you move that gear stick, you're actually changing how much power gets sent to the wheels versus how fast the car goes. Low gears? Tons of power to get you moving, but you won't be breaking any speed limits. High gears? Way more speed, but less oomph. Picture this: your engine is constantly spinning a shaft. That shaft connects to the gearbox, a set of gears with different sizes. In first gear, you get a lot of torque, perfect for getting up hills or starting from a stop. But when you shift up to fifth or sixth, you get less torque but much more speed. Manual cars make you do the work. Shift gears and use the clutch with your foot. Automatics? They've got sensors and hydraulics that shift for you, based on how fast you're going and how hard you're pushing the gas. The real trick? Using the right gear at the right time keeps your engine happy and running efficiently. Get it wrong and your car either struggles or revs like crazy. So next time you're in the driver's seat, don't just think about speed, think about shifting smart. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized brain boosts, right here on Fact AI.